Good day, Patriots. Today I'm going to teach you how to save a Google slide into your drive and insert images and add additional slides to your presentation. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is come up to where it says File, and once you click on File, go to Make a Copy. Now notice that the name of my file was Insert Images. Now I have Copy of Insert Images. Okay, so what you can do is put the backspace on your keyboard and give it the name that your teacher wants you to name your presentation. In this case, I just want you to put Insert Images. But now it's going to be yours, and you can put your initials behind it. So Insert Images, and my initials are behind it. It's going to my drive. That's where I want it to go. And then I want to click on OK. Okay, so now notice that the top of your page that the name of your document is the one that you created, Insert Images AH. Okay, so that's what I created. I have one slide. I need some additional slides. So how do I get additional slides? You want to go up to Slide, and you have two options. You can either click on New Slide, or on your keyboard you can hold down the Control button and tap the letter M. So let's try it both ways. Okay, so now let's just click on New Slide. Now we have a new slide, so it's blue here. This time I'm going to go to my keyboard, hold down the Control, the CTRL button, hold it down, and tap the letter M. And now I have an extra slide. If you forget what to do for the shortcut, all you have to do is come back up here, and it has it here, Control and then the letter M. Okay, so now I have my title page, and notice at the title page I have Insert Images. The first thing I want you to do is to click on my name, because this is your presentation, and click behind my last name and backspace and put in your name, which I'm just going to put my name back there. Okay? Alright, so now after you've done that, I'll give you a few minutes. Okay, now I want you to click on Slide 2. Slide 2 is blue, so it lets me know that's the slide that I'm working on. I have a space to add a title, and I have a space to add text. Okay, for my title I want to pick a word. Let's say I pick the word mountains. Okay, so I have the word mountains, but now I want to add maybe some text about the mountains. Okay, so my sentence says mountains are covered with trees and other types of foliage. Okay, so now I want to insert a picture. So my cursor is there. That's called a cursor when it's blinking. I'm going to press enter, and I'm going to come up to the word Insert Image. Okay, Insert Images. Image is another word for a picture. Okay, I have all these options here. I could upload from the computer, or I could search the web. We're going to search the web. So when we click on Search the Web, over here Google comes up, and it says Search for Google Images. So I'm going to put in mountains. And I get all these pictures of mountains. And I said that my mountains are covered with trees and other types of foliage, so I want to find a picture that matches. And since I said it was covered with trees and other types of foliage, then the picture that matches, that has the snow, wouldn't be a really good picture to show that. So I need to look for a mountain that has trees and other types of foliage. Aha, here's one. So when I click on it, it's going to come on here pretty huge. Now notice that my picture has these blue square corners. If I take my cursor, right now my cursor has 4 arrows. That lets me move the whole picture. Okay. I want to come up to where my cursor turns into 2 arrows, like that. Okay, I'm not holding my mouse now. I just got my mouse on top of the square. If I hold the mouse or the mouse pad and pull down, it'll make the image smaller, and I can move it where I want it to go. Okay, so that is how you insert an image. There are other things that you can do when you're searching too. So let me go to Insert, Image, Search the Web, and when I put in the word mountains, I can say clip art behind it, and that will give me clip art images. So you can narrow down the type of image, and this time I'm going to look for a clip art image that has foliage on it. This one has foliage because I want my pictures to match. So I think that I like this one. It's going to come onto the screen really big, and then I want to put it on my screen. Okay, so that is how you can insert an image. All right, thank you, Patriots.